In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to factory reset the Brother DCP-8110 printer step by step.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
A factory reset restores the printer settings to their original default values. This can help resolve certain configuration, network, or setup-related issues and give you a fresh start. To start the factory reset process, press the menu button to open the printer settings. Using the down arrow key, scroll through the menu until you find the reset option. Now press the OK button, then select the All Settings option and press OK again. Now wait for the reset process to complete. This may take a few moments. The reset process is now complete. To make sure everything is working properly, perform a test copy and check the printer's operation. If this video helped you, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to Device Doctor for more useful printer tutorials.